Alright, so I've cut up my plantains. I'm about to fry them. So I cut them up like little potatoes. Ooh. I'm supposed to do you off. Alright. So I don't want to fill the pot too much so they can have room to fry.
You have to have room.
So I'm just going to get those fried.
For like 5 to 7.
Gonna give them time to get golden brown. Alright, and then I'm checking on my brown stewed fish. Alright, and this is how it's looking. Everything's coming together. Just try to flip them. Nice flip. Alright, and these aren't the sweet ones. These are just the right ones. Cooking them up like if they're potatoes. I cut them up nice and small. Alright, so I'm going to let them cook for a little bit and get nice and brown and crispy.